Been looking to buy or sell a home in the Southwest Florida real estate market? Well, then stop scrolling and listen up. I've got some insights for you to ensure that you make a well-informed decision. So let's dive right into it. Hello again, Southwest Florida. Braden Milner here, back with another real estate market update for the week. Let's get right into it. Starting off, we're seeing a slight relief in mortgage rates, which dropped from 8.01% to 7.82%. When it comes to new listings, we're nearly steady, with one less new listing from 428 to 427 this week. That's keeping options open for buyers and holding steady for sellers. The number of sold properties also remains stable, with a tiny bump up from 244 last week to 246 this week. Despite the fluctuations in mortgage rates, it looks like sales are staying resilient. However, pending sales did take a little dip, down from 295 to 272. While it's not a major drop, it may signal buyer hesitancy due to the recent increase in interest rates. Expired listings are also fairly steady, going from 38 to 42. And finally, the median sales price has dipped to $375,000 from last week's $385,000. This could be an indicator that buyers are looking at slightly lower priced homes, possibly reacting to the previous weeks of rising interest rates. All in all, it's been a fairly stable week, showing that even with the ups and downs of mortgage rates, the market remains robust. So, if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or learn what these numbers mean for you, reach out to me today. You can call or text me at 239-634-8639 or email me at contact@bradenmilner.com. And make sure to follow the channel for more videos just like this daily. I'll see you all again soon.